Welcome to Plaza Ford, the area's oldest and most recognized Ford dealer.
Since our inception, 3 generations of our family have served the local community and its residents with everything related to their automobile needs.
Our true price integrity program here at Plaza Ford protects all customers. It ensures the price we say here on our website is the price you pay when you come to our store. It is not fair that other dealers show you a price on the internet only to increase it when you get to their store. We wish for all our customers to have the best experience possible while here. When we say true price integrity, we mean it. What we say is what you pay.
All customers also join the Plaza Promise. You are enrolled in the Owner Advantage Rewards program, where each time you use your Owner Advantage Rewards card, you will accumulate points for valuable savings in the future. In addition, we offer oil changes for 2 years, up to a 12-month warranty on all pre-owned vehicles, a tank of gas at delivery, multi-point safety inspections, battery tests and inspections, body shop estimates, trade appraisals, shuttle service, as well as extended hours for parts and service customers.
At Plaza Ford, our goal is to develop a long-term relationship with you and your family. As a preferred customer, you are entitled to valuable discounts, complimentary service items, and our VIP membership standing. There's a reason Plaza Ford has received countless accolades for the way we do business.
Come see why Plaza Ford has the highest customer satisfaction ratings in the Baltimore, Washington area.
We look forward to meeting you.